Today guys, I show you how to download and install GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open Steam like me, make sure you have Steam account. If you don't know how to create account, just watch this video. After you create your Steam account like me, move here to search and type like me Grand Theft Auto and you will see Grand Theft Auto Enhanced. All you need to do, just click on this game, scroll here down and you will see here add to cart. Just go here add to cart, click on it and go view my card. You will see your game here. Move here right, you will see continue to payment, click on it. If you have your Steam wallet, just use it. If don't, make sure you choose here PayPal or credit card. After you choose PayPal like me, check this and go continue. After you purchase game and you will get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install GTA 5 Enhanced. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.